Cameroon. Cameroon Minister of Territorial Administration Paul Atanga Nji today, which happens to be the 21st of November 2025, appreciated bike riders, showed his appreciation for bike riders whom he considered patriotic enough actually to not have respected or to not have given into what he described as distraction or manipulation. So he gracefully appreciated them. Don't ask me where the money that Mr. Paul Atanga Nji gave them is coming from. In their fuel, they actually fuel their bikes and they gave them a token of at least 2,000. Don't ask me where it's coming from. Who gave Mr. Paul Atanga Nji the money? Why did he give them the money? At least it's an appreciation to show that thank you very much. Man. They explain this Cameroon, you understand. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't want to talk much on this. I want you to watch how the minister, the sheriff, supervised the appreciation. He said that thank you very much. Watch the video.
C'est déjà fini. Voilà, merci.
Laisse un peu les ronds là. Non, tu fais un peu de ça. On n'arrive pas à combiner quelque chose. Voilà, c'est bon. On peut combiner ça aussi. Lève la main. Et tu lève la main. My man, how you doing?
Congratulations! You've passed your GCE or baccalaureate, and now it's time to choose a professional university that opens real doors to your future. Let us introduce you to the African Higher Institute of Technology, a career-focused institution that not only awards internationally recognized certificates, but also guarantees direct employment opportunities upon graduation through its solid network of partner companies and institutions worldwide. This school operates in collaboration with the Cameroon Ministry of Higher Education, UBA Bank, St. Francis Xavier Institute, Canada. Located in Yaoundé, Mendong, away from the noisy town, AHIT provides the following for its students: a free brand new laptop immediately after paying a registration fee of 25,000 francs CFA, free high-speed internet access on campus, hands-on professional training, mentorship from local and international experts, offering courses like local government in accounting, finance and administration, computer engineering, artificial intelligence, biomedical sciences, economics and finance, business and management, arts and education, law and public policy, agricultural sciences. Whether you dream of becoming a software developer, civil engineer, healthcare technician, or business strategist, ICT is your direct path to success. Apply now and take the bold step toward a future of innovation, professionalism, and global opportunity.